My name is Colleen Prather. I write what I like to call travel romance novels for the mature reader. My books start with the word journey because I truly believe it is the journey and not the destination. Let me tell you about my book, Journey to Port. Two towns, one in Michigan and one in Wisconsin, both on the shores of Lake Michigan, figure prominently in the backdrop of these tales of marital infidelity. Over 150 years ago, a burning, sinking ship sends Anne from Wisconsin to Michigan to start an inn. Her son Jesse, and eventually her grandson, try to discover Anne's secret past. The mystery seems lost to time until several generations later. Alexi, a descendant of Anne's, is shocked to discover her 30-plus year marriage is over. The devastating knowledge and subsequent divorce, due to her husband's affair with a much younger woman, forces Alexi to reevaluate her direction in life. Moving to Wisconsin to search for clues to her ancestors' past opens doors and leads to a new future Alexi never dreamed was possible. Mature readers can identify with Alexi's quest for meaning in her new world when starting over, as she discovers a fulfilling life and romance is indeed possible no matter how old you are. For more information about my books for yourself or older members of your family, please visit my website, www.colleenprather.com. Once again, that's www.KILEENPRATHER.com. And thank you.